Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to trade support and resistance the right way. The strategy that I use, I basically learned it from Nick Sean. If you've been watching YouTube videos on support and resistance and break and retest, you must have watched Nick Sean's. He's a famous YouTuber that he trades these strategies really good. And so I've been testing it out. I've been working on this for like 2 years now, and it has really got me from a struggling trader to a funded trader. So I'm here to share this strategy with you. It is a non-indicator based strategy. It is pure price action, no trend lines and shade and all of that complicated stuff. No, very simple. It's just a break and a retest of horizontal levels in the market. So here we are on the 4 hour time frame. This is the most effective time frame you want to be on because the price here is clean and very easy to spot. If you go on a much lower time frame, that is where actually the majority of the traders lose money in the market because they are looking for quick money, and so they go down the smaller time frames to look for scalping, for scalps, for easy scalps, easy in and out, and that is where there's a lot of noise and there's a lot of saturation of price in the market. So it's difficult to spot the most accurate and obvious levels in the market on those time frames. So to be successful doing this, you need to be able to exercise patience. You need to be able to wait for your setup to, meet all your criteria before you diving in. So just looking at this chart here, I've seen already few trading opportunities that we could have taken if we were trading this simple strategy. Okay, so to kick the video off starting, if you're new here, please, I'm new to this. Just help me click down the subscription button, and if you find any value in this video, I really appreciate you liking and leaving your own thoughts on this. So a break and retest strategy is simply a level in the market where the market is making like in a buying scenario, the market is making a high, a low, it breaks the high, forms a new high, a higher high, a higher low, and so on and so forth. So this clearly is an uptrend, and what we want to be looking for in an uptrend is buys. So I shouldn't be telling you that, you already know that. So now this right here is where you want to, this is your point of interest. This is where you want to enter the market to continue the trend up, because we only enter on pullbacks. Because if the market is breaking structure to the upside, you don't know exactly where the market wants to pull back. So you wait for the pullback, and that is when you enter the market. So now this level that has been formed and broken, when the market comes back here to pick up new orders, this is when you want to be. You want to join the train. You want to enter the bus right here to continue the ride. So simply, this is what we're looking at. So if we look at this chart here, we can see that this was a previous high. This was a previous high in the market that was broken right here. The market was broke. The high was broken right here, as you can see. Then the market flew up and pulled back into that level, and this is where you want to have your limit orders. One more thing, guys. I see people, were looking for confirmation, engulfing candles before they get in trades and all of that. Yes, it is good. It is good to be safe, but doing that too, you're going to, lose out on a lot of trading opportunities. Like let's say here, this is a trading opportunity right here. This is not an engulfing candle. It didn't engulf this one, but this was a smooth trade. So what I do is I use pending orders. That is how I trade my markets. So basically, when I align these levels, I might look at the midpoint because I want the market to go in deep. I might just take the midpoint, or I might just take the top of this. If the level is slim, if the level is too thick, then I'll just take the midpoint. So right here, I'll take this and I'll keep it below this bearish candle right here. You can see this engulfing bearish candle that was breached by this wick. So I'll just keep my stop loss below that candle. Then I'll look for 1:2 because I don't take anything less than 1:2. I cannot risk my money to come out with 1:1 or 1.2. So I'm taking 1:2. That is basically what I would take from the market. So if we continue looking further in price, we can see that the market is forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So now the market just recently formed a high here and formed a new low. So now this low has been broken, as we can all see. Then the market is bound to pull back to that level. It is bound to pull back to that level. So what you want to do is you want to have your pending orders sitting right here, waiting for the market. And you want to keep your stop loss just above this bullish candle. This last bullish candle right here, you want to keep your stop loss above that, and your take profit should be 1:2. I mean, that's what I do. If you're okay with 1:3, 1:4, or 1:1.5, however your risk tolerance is, that is good for you. But this 1:2 is easy and it works for me. So, I mean, you can just get trades everywhere. Everywhere there are trades. Okay, let's look at this level. This is a high here that was formed and the high was broken. Can you see that? You can buy here to the upside. This is another high here that was formed and that was broken. Another low here was formed. And you see, it was broken and retested. And now if you're looking for engulfing candles, you're going to miss out on this trade. You're going to miss out on this trade. I'm also going to miss out on this trade. So there's just a lot of trading opportunities that traders do miss because they're waiting for confirmations. And most of the times when these confirmations come, those trades turn out not to work out because they think it's going to, go their way, and it doesn't. So just take the risk, because even if you have confirmations, it does not mean the market is still going to go your way. It can still mess you up. So just take the risk. Once you know you're sure of your strategy, this thing works. Just imagine this is 4-hour time frame. It's going to take a long time before all of this happens. But you're not looking at one pair, guys. You have like 10 to 15 other pairs you can put on your watch list and be looking at every single day. 2 days cannot go by without you having a good setup like this. And 99% of these trades will play out well. That is just a guarantee. That's just something you just need to have at the back of your mind. Look at this level here. This tiny high here, it broke. If you go down to the 1 hour, this is a good piece of price action right here. It broke it and it came back to it and retested it and flew up. It's just like that. That's just all you literally need to do. With this risk to reward here, 1:2, you're bound to make profits in the market. Okay? You're bound to make profits in the market. This is a setup. This is a trade that a pending order that I had here. It didn't get tapped in because my pending order was right immediately under these candles, and the market didn't quite get there. So I missed out on this move. As you can see, just few pips, I would have made money here, guys. So this is how you trade support and resistance. Pure price action. You just look for levels in the market to form, and you wait for these levels to be broken for you to take a trade. Okay, wait for these levels to be broken for you to get a trade to the downside. Forget about support, resistance, and all of that. Break and retest. Wait for the level to be broken and you take it back down. There's no way to go around it, guys. It's just like that. There's no way to go around it. It's just like that. So I appreciate you clicking on this video. If you've picked up anything here, I suggest you, if you have any indicators going on and you're all confused, you don't know what to do, delete all of those indicators. Your screen should be as clean as mine. You understand? From here, you're on your way to becoming a profitable trader, because you're looking at a 4-hour time frame, and the levels on the 4-hour time frame are guaranteed. All you just need to do is wait. Can you wait? If you can wait, you can make money. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so I can keep posting content like this. See you guys in my next video. I'm going to go more in depth with this strategy, exactly how I do it, exactly how I exit, exactly everything. I just need to see your comments down below telling me to do it. Just comment, do it, and I'll post the next video in a couple of hours. Thanks for watching. That was a long one.